Stop. Before you hand your retirement fund to some handyman named Larry, let's have a quick chat. Sure, home improvements can be amazing, but trust me, some projects are like that perm you got in '86. Seemed like a great idea at first, but boy, did it cost you later.
I'm about to show you 10 home upgrades you'll actually get to enjoy now.
You'll see exactly which improvements pay you back when you sell. Want the lowdown from a guy who answers his phone and won't pressure you into avocado green appliances? Call or text me anytime. I always answer the phone, and I promise I'm friendlier than Larry and smarter than that perm. If you're a homeowner looking to make smart improvements, whether you're in Florida or anywhere else, this breakdown will help you choose the upgrades that matter most. Let's jump in. If you want an upgrade that pays you back almost immediately, this is it. Attic insulation and air sealing is one of the best kept secrets in home improvements, especially here in Florida. Florida attics can hit 130 degrees. That heat seeps down into your living space and makes your AC work overtime. By adding insulation and sealing gaps around vents and pipes, you trap the cool air where it belongs, inside. This project usually costs between $1,000 and $2,500 and just takes a day or two. You can DIY batt insulation or spray foam, but a pro is worth it for tough spaces. Your ROI is around 100%. Your lifestyle value is a 7 out of 10. Lower bills, better comfort, and a cooler home all year. Windows in Florida aren't just for sunshine. They tell a story about comfort, safety, and savings. Picture your house on a typical summer day. Old single-pane windows struggling to keep out heat, noise from traffic echoing through your living room, and your energy bills soaring sky high. Now, imagine upgrading to sleek, impact-rated, energy-efficient windows. They shield your home from powerful storms, dramatically cut your cooling costs, and wrap your rooms in peaceful silence. Sure, it's an investment, around $8,000 to $20,000. But skip the DIY headaches. Trust a licensed pro. You'll recoup about 70% when you sell and possibly snag an insurance discount too. You'll want to talk to your agent about it and will likely need a new wind mitigation report from a licensed home inspector. But you could save hundreds of dollars a year on your insurance premium. Bottom line, your home becomes safer, quieter, and infinitely more enjoyable, earning an impressive 8 out of 10 in lifestyle value. In Florida, windows aren't just glass. They're your home's best upgrade story. Want a simple upgrade that'll seriously level up your home? Swap out that tired old front door. Think about it. A new fiberglass or steel door instantly boosts your curb appeal, improves security, and bonus points if you're in Florida, keeps hurricanes out of your living room. It's quick, easy, and usually done in a single day. You're looking at around $1,500 to $4,000 fully installed. Sure, handy folks can tackle it as a weekend project, but trust me, having a pro ensure tight, hurricane-proof seal is worth every penny. Best part, you'll typically get all of your money back at resale, 100% ROI, and it scores an easy 8 out of 10 in lifestyle value. Better looks, tighter seal, and peace of mind you can actually feel. Have you ever thought about how your garage door is basically the biggest opening in your home? Yeah, most of us don't. And when the storm comes rolling through Florida, it quickly becomes your weakest link. Upgrading to an insulated, wind-rated garage door isn't just practical, it's essential. You'll boost home security, enjoy a quieter, cooler space, and breathe easier knowing hurricane winds can't just punch through your garage. You're looking at about $1,500 to $3,500, and please skip DIY on this one. Garage door springs can be seriously dangerous, so hiring a professional installer is a must. The best part, this upgrade practically pays for itself. You'll recoup around 100% of your investment when you sell. Plus, it delivers a solid lifestyle value, a 7 out of 10. Bottom line, it's stronger, quieter, safer, and gives you real peace of mind, storm after storm. In Florida, outdoor living is everything. Grilling, lounging, enjoying sunsets. But bugs, they're the worst uninvited guests, always crashing the party. Adding a screen lanai or porch is a total game changer. Imagine relaxing in the fresh air, mosquito-free, sipping your favorite drink while a gentle breeze rolls through. Basic screen kits start around $2,000, while custom enclosures run upwards of $8,000 and more. Handy folks can tackle smaller patios themselves over a weekend, but professional installation makes sense for larger spaces. You'll recoup around 75% of your investment when it's time to sell. But honestly, the true win here is lifestyle value. Easily a 9 out of 10. It's like adding another comfortable living room right outside your back door, giving you the perfect Florida hangout without the bugs. Curb appeal is the first impression of your home when selling. The payoff may be a long term, but it is real. Smart landscaping does way more than make your home look inviting. It boosts curb appeal, improves energy efficiency, and even cuts your water bill. Picture your yard refreshed with native plants, tidy mulch beds, and shade trees strategically placed to cool your home naturally. A landscaping update can run from $500 to $5,000, depending on how big you go. If you're comfortable with gardening, DIY planting is absolutely doable. But for design expertise or setting up efficient irrigation, calling in a pro can be a smart move. You can see up to a 12% boost in your home's value. Plus, it easily scores an 8 out of 10 in lifestyle improvements. Bottom line, your home looks better, feels cooler, and your wallet can thank you every month. In Florida, your air conditioning is always working overtime, but a smart thermostat makes it a whole lot smarter. Imagine setting cooling schedules, controlling temperatures right from your phone, and never again wasting energy to chill an empty house. These clever gadgets run about $150 to $500. Setup is straightforward for most DIY enthusiasts, though some older systems might require an extra C-wire for power. Then it's best to call in a pro. You'll typically see around 50% ROI through immediate savings on your energy bills. But the real value? Lifestyle comfort, scoring a solid 9 out of 10. It simplifies your life, reduces hassle, and keeps your home perfectly comfortable without the guesswork. Bottom line, less hassle, lower bills, and way better comfort. Exactly what you need to beat Florida's heat. Ever feeling uneasy about who's at your door or what's happening around your home when you're away? Smart cameras and lighting put those worries to rest. Picture getting instant alerts whenever motion is detected, checking in on your front porch from your phone, or making your house look occupied even when you're miles away. These systems typically run from $300 to $2,000, depending on how advanced you go. They're DIY friendly for most setups, but it's smart to call in the pros if you're installing hardwired equipment. Expect around 50% ROI when selling your home, but the lifestyle payoff scores even higher, 8 out of 10. You're gaining security, convenience, and extra peace of mind every day. Bottom line, a safer home, easier living, and improved resale appeal. That's the real protection worth investing in. Tired of opening your closet only to see chaos staring back at you? Transform that stressful mess into your favorite room in the house with smart shelving, sleek drawers, and perfectly placed lighting. Closet organization kits start around $1,500, while custom solutions tailored exactly to your needs can run up to $5,000. Feeling handy? DIY installation is definitely doable with basic tools, but professional setup guarantees a polished, hassle-free result. This isn't just a quick fix, it's a smart investment. Expect to see around 83% of your money back at resale, but the true win is the lifestyle upgrade, earning an easy 8 out of 10. Bottom line, you'll have more space, more order, and far less stress every time you open that door. Chaos out, calm in. Finally. Tired of walking into an outdated bathroom that feels stuck in another decade? Good news, You don't need a massive budget to make a big impact. Imagine sleek new tile under your feet, a stylish vanity that brings the whole room together, and modern fixtures that add instant elegance. Updating your bathroom typically costs between $6,000 and $16,000 and can be done in just 2 or 3 weeks. If you're handy adding finishing touches yourself, think mirrors, lighting, and decor. But trust the plumbing to the professionals for a stress-free upgrade. Financially, expect around 50% ROI when it's time to sell. Yet the true everyday benefit, a solid 7 out of 10, is stepping into a refreshed, inviting space every single day. Bottom line, modernizing your bathroom means more style, comfort, and a satisfying improvement without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching the Florida Real Estate Insider. As always, I'm Tom McNamara. Let's do something awesome together.